Hey, if you cannot receive notifications from your phone into your Xiaomi Watch 2, let me show you how we can try to fix this. So first of all, we have to be sure that on our smartwatch, the silent mode and the do not disturb mode is actually turned off. Next, what we have to do is just to simply go into our smartphone, and we have to open the Mi Fitness application. Now we have to go into the app notifications and be sure that the app notifications are turned on, and also you can synchronize all of the notifications. But if for some reason you want to get notifications only from few apps, like for example the Messenger or WhatsApp and for example Gmail and the Facebook, you can unselect this one, go into the custom notifications, and now by tapping on the switchers, just select every app that you want to get notifications on your watch. After this, click done, and it's actually finished. Additionally, you can also turn off the do not disturb mode on your smartphone. So that's all my tips. If this feature still doesn't work and you don't have your notification, you can pick the ultimate way and simply perform the reset of your watch and update the Mi Fitness application on your smartphone by going into the Play Store. So click here, tap to update. Okay, sorry, that's my brain fog. For sure, input the Mi Fitness app name, open it, and click update if you don't have the latest version. So that's all. Right now, please subscribe.